U.S. President Donald Trump has announced new import taxes of 25% on cars and car parts coming into the U.S. in a move that threatens to widen the global trade war. Trump said the latest tariffs would come into effect on the 2nd of April, with charges on businesses importing vehicles starting the next day. He claimed the measure would lead to tremendous growth for the car industry, promising it would spur jobs and investment in the U.S. But analysts have said the move is likely lead to the temporary shutdown of significant car production in the U.S., increased prices, and strained relations with allies. U.S. imported roughly 8 million cars last year, accounting for about $240 billion in trade and roughly half of overall sales. Mexico is the top foreign supplier of cars to the U.S., followed by South Korea, Japan, Canada, and Germany. Many U.S. car companies have operations in Mexico and Canada as well, set up under the terms of the long-standing free trade agreement between the three countries. Trump's latest decision threatens to upend the global car industry. The White House said the order would apply not only to finished cars but also to car parts, which are often shipped in from other countries before getting assembled in the U.S. Shares in General Motors slid roughly 3% on Wednesday, as the White House said it was planning the announcement. The sell-off spread to other companies, including Ford, after the president's remarks as he signed the executive order. Asked at a press conference if there was any chance he would reverse course, Trump said no. "This is permanent," he said, adding, "But if you build your car in the United States, there is no tariff." South Korean car-making giant Hyundai announced ahead of the tariffs announcement it would invest $21 billion, 16.3 billion pounds, in the U.S. and build a new steel plant in the southern state of Louisiana. Trump hailed the investment as a clear demonstration that tariffs very strongly work. The fresh car import taxes on cars are set to come into force on the same day as so-called reciprocal tariffs kick in for individual countries based on their trading relationship with the U.S.